Hello, my name is Teacher Paula, and I am a teacher with VIPKid. And today I got some more exciting mail. The Good Fortune box again. I love it. If you want to see what's in the Good Fortune box, keep watching. If you haven't already, or you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and if you like what you see and hear, give me a big thumbs up. The Good Fortune box is a monthly box that is made for teachers by teachers. Sam and Rachel are the two that started it, and they are wonderful ladies, and they are online ESL teachers and also teach with VIPKid. The box is not just for VIPKid teachers, it's for any online ESL teacher. It'll work for any company. So let's open it. I have stayed off all of my friends' videos where they've been unboxing them just so that I could be surprised and open it up on here. When you open it up, they always send a card about what is in it. And this is going to be the May 2020 box. And they always have it nice and neat. This is created for online teachers by online teachers, and the fortune cookie. And in every box they have a fortune cookie, which I've been keeping all of my fortune cookies because I use them as rewards with my classes. Oh, yes. Oh, I see. Okay, before I even get in there, I want you to see what it looks like. Look, isn't that pretty? That is so great. That is awesome. Okay, I'm going to get into it, but let's look to see first. This is a little bag. Let me read about it. Silk pouch and incense. Past generations would wear fragrant pouches during this time of year because they are believed to ward off evil, drive away disease, and bring good luck. Okay. And it's got some little incenses in it, and they really do smell good. Okay, so there's my little good luck pouch. I'm not too sure I'm going to be wearing it, ladies, but I love it, and I may hang it in my room somewhere so that maybe Dino needs some good luck right there. There, Dino, you need some good luck? Give him some good luck. Here's my fortune cookie. I'm going to open it. I always like to try to get it out without actually tearing it open. Let's see what my fortune says. My fortune says, individually we are one drop, together we are an ocean. Isn't that true? I love sayings like this. One of us cannot fill the ocean. We're just one drop, but together we are the ocean, and we can do whatever. The next one is organic crunchy rice rollers, original brown rice. We couldn't put actual rice in your dumplings, so we added these tasty treat for you to enjoy between classes or during that glorious student no-show. Isn't that fun? Yeah, sometimes you want to eat a snack during that no-show. Then the next one is a Zongizi steamer. Oh, look at how cute it is. These dumplings are a traditional dish of sticky rice with a sweet or savory filling wrapped in bamboo leaves and secured with twine. They are assembled the night before, enjoyed in the morning, and leftovers are thrown in the river to commemorate Kuyon. It does look like a little steamer. And there's our little dumplings wrapped in with twine. Yes, you see all those little dumplings in there. And then that's fun. I wish they were real dumplings. We would be eating them right now. Then this one is a 5-strand bracelet. In some regions, children wear 5-strand bracelets to symbolize harnessing the flood dragon to protect Kuan Yin. that how you say it? Kwanyon? They are worn until the first rain after the festival, then thrown into the river. I love those colors. Those are very pretty. So do just children wear them? Do you know? Leave a comment below and let me know. It says children. I just wonder if just the children wear them. That would be interesting to know. Then a dragon face mask. I love it. Ward off dry skin in this super soothing mask that moisturizes and revitalizes your face with a blend of coconut water, electrolytes, and potassium. Animal dragon face. The featured teacher this time is Kathy Austin. She does clay creations and she has a business called Bits of Joy Crafts. Kathy creates one-of-a-kind pieces made from polymer clay. Her most popular sellers are Christmas ornaments, earrings, and charms. Since becoming a VIP teacher, Kathy has also added reward systems and prop sets. Then it has a code for 10% off of her shop. And I will put, I don't know that I can link it, but I can at least put the shop here so that you can check it out if you want to, because I've seen a lot of her items and they are very cute. And then we have a t-shirt. Yes, green, I love it. I love it. It goes with my makeup that I have on today, and I just did a get ready with me using my pharmacy makeup, and I'll link it right here because it goes with all of this. And it says help one another, for we are all in the same boat. Oh, I love it. Very good. The subscription box for the Good Fortune box is $30. I have a code that you can get $5 off, and then with shipping it would make it $30. So it's $30, and it is a monthly subscription, but you can cancel at any time. You see all the great things that I have. Every other month you get a t-shirt or something kind of like that. So, because one time we got a cup and a mouse pad. And then I've got 2 t-shirts, so that's been really fun. And I love it. I think it's great. What do you think? Wouldn't this be fun if you'd like this? They're wanting to try to start something like this too, also for classroom teachers. And as a classroom teacher too, I think it would be wonderful. If you like this video, the unboxing of the Good Fortune box, give me a big thumbs up. And remember, teach because you love to. Thank you. Bye-bye.